everyone, welcome back to another blog post, and today I'm just going to be showing a technique that I've recently just kind of found, I guess. Obviously it's always been there and I have known bits about it, but I've just been playing around with indicators and that kind of stuff, and I've found something possibly that could work. Obviously it does need backtesting, but from what I've seen so far, it is quite good. So currently it is the 7th of August and we are on the 15-minute chart, and I have one indicator. You don't need RSI, that's just there, but you basically need one indicator, which is this indicator here. So just find this somehow. I don't really know how I found this, but yeah, get this indicator, put it on your charts, get the same settings as me. I'll do this just so you can copy it. Yep, there you go. So it should look something like this, and the technique is to basically, so you see these lines here, they're taking the highs and the lows of points in the market, and all you're doing is waiting for price to come up and take out this high and then reverse. And if you can see the chart now, we are currently in a trade, short trade, and so you have a 5 pip stop loss and you have a 10 pip take profit. The take profit you can have as an actual solid take profit, but for the stop loss I would just have it visually in your mind, because you don't want to be getting taken out of this accidentally by spread or whatever it is. So I just have this as a mental stop loss, and you could even have the take profit as a mental stop loss as well. But yeah, that's basically the general trade. And how I got this trade, or what the strategy is, I guess you could say, is you take the high or the low, so we'll find a long trade in a sec, and then you draw 2 pips above. So as you can see, using this tool, it shows you how many pips. You draw 2 pips above this high on the 15-minute chart, and you place your order here. You place the limit order here. And all you would do is place the limit order here and watch the market come up, tag you in, and you're watching it as it comes up. And then obviously you're in, and then you can monitor the trade as it does its thing. But if I just come back a little bit, you can see, let's get rid of this. So you can see, let me draw. So we have a high up here, come down. Oh, I need to make that a bit thicker. So we come down, come up, and then we have a low here and a high up here. And price decides to take the low out. We come back up, almost touch this high. We come back, take the low out again. Then we come up, take this high out, take this high out, and take this high out. Obviously the strategy isn't going to be taking sells at every single one. You can if you want to, I guess, but I would look for the main ones. So this one is obviously a main one, this is possibly a main one. I would have probably taken a sell here if it is 2 pips. If it's not 2 pips, then obviously I wouldn't. But yeah, as we come up, you can see we take this high out, there's probably not 2 pips in there. And then we come down, come down, come down. And we take the lows out here, come back up, take the highs out. And you can see it just kind of happens quite a bit. So if I just come back, we take it out here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, that's probably 4 trades, 5 trades, 6 trades, 7 trades. So you've got 7 trades in 2 days, and they seem to be quite profitable. Obviously we've got this one here that we're still in, but if we just move this across here, yep, you'd be entering that one short. That's profitable. Then we've got another one here. And short in here. That's profitable as well. So this one. Nope. We'll put it here and see if it works. Don't think it will. Okay, so that's a loss. Then let's move it here as well. And go long. Okay, so you might have got taken out on that one. Yeah, it depends on what happened with this, I guess. Yeah, it depends on what happened. You might have been profitable, you might not have been. But let's just carry on. So we've got another low here. Taking a buy. Oops, that's wrong. There we go. Okay, that one's profitable. Got another low in here. That one's not profitable. As you see, you can get the idea. So you've basically got the highs and the lows, and you're taking 2 pips away from that, or adding 2 pips, I should say. And then you're going short and long to try and catch the reversal of the liquidity that is above that high. I haven't backtested it, so I don't want to say it is profitable. But from what I've seen so far, it does look quite good. Because you're giving yourself a little bit of a buffer with the 2 pips, and you're just catching the wicks, hopefully catching the wicks, for the short and long trades. So yeah, I hope that you've enjoyed this. Maybe go and add this to your own charts, see what happens, see if you can add it to a strategy that you're currently using, test it. Let me know what you find, because it's always good to hear what you guys think. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the community.